Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can start your knitting with a simple scalloped border. So let's get started. Cast on in multiples of 5 plus 1. Okay, I'm going to work 5 scallops, so I have cast on 26 stitches. Knit across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I knit all the way across the row. Purl across the next row. All the way across the row. Okay, I purled across the row. Knit across the next row. All the way across the row. Okay, I knit all the way across the row. Purl across the next row. All the way across the row. Okay, so I have my cast on row and 4 rows of stockinette stitch, and this is the row where we start the scallops. Insert the needle into the first stitch of the foundation row. Skip the next stitch, pick up the loop of the next row, place them on the left needle. Now knit all 3 of those stitches together. Knit the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now follow this next stitch all the way down, pick up the loop from that foundation row, skip the next stitch, pick up the loop from the next row, place both of those loops on the needle, and now knit all 3 of those stitches together, and that will form the first scallop. Knit the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow this stitch all the way down, pick up this loop, skip, pick up the next loop, put those 2 loops on the needle, and then knit those 3 stitches together. That will form 2 scallops, and you just continue that across the row, and you'll form scallops all along the bottom. And there's how it looks when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scallops, and I started with multiples of 5 plus 1. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed finding out how easy it is to start your knitting with a scalloped border. This would be nice on the bottom of a sweater or on the ends of sleeves, or maybe even a scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.